Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have, that's Ginny's 330i or 328, or no, 428i, right?
440.
440? Oh, so this is the newer version.
428!
It's a 428i. It's debadged, so I can't really tell sometimes.
It's not debadged.
We're going to, oh, is it? I thought it was debadged. 428i. So we got Ginny's 428i here with the big APR wing, and that's Ginny over there, and this is Cars with Ellie. We're going to be painting her wheels, painting her brake calipers yellow. First thing we need to do is jack the front of the car up, and then we'll do the front calipers first. So first thing you want to do before you paint is to prep the surface. So we're going to be sanding it with, looks like 600 grit or 800 grit sandpaper, so that the paint has some fresh surface to adhere to. I'm going to use some soap to clean the brakes, and then you can go ahead and start painting. So I'll let Ellie explain that part. Okay, so Ellie is going to paint the brakes. We're going to use yellow high temp paint. She's going to spray it into a cup. Ooh. Put the whole thing in there so that the wind doesn't blow it everywhere. Get some liquid. And then grab your paintbrush and start painting. So what we're doing here is just painting with a brush. Start with one light layer, and then after the one layer, add your second layer after a couple minutes, and just keep doing that until you get a solid color, because it's probably going to look a little watery in the beginning here. Alright, so we're going to be painting Ginny's V brace on the center. I masked off the inside of the bumper, sanded down, and I'm just cleaning it, and then we're going to go ahead and spray paint. Okay, here we go, first coat. Now let it get your first coverage here, and then come back at a couple minutes and do more. Okay, so we did the fronts, and this is what they look like so far. Really nice. We did about 3 layers of paint. Now I'm going to put the wheels back on, and then we're going to do the rears next. Okay, so I put the wheel back on, and now we have yellow calipers. This is the front so far. And we're going to do the rears next. Okay, so we've got everything done. Now we need to torque the wheels to 90 foot-pounds of torque. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do it in a star pattern. Okay, so this is Ginny's car with the yellow calipers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.